All right, well, we did it.
We did it!
So we're at our very first RV park. And don't worry, I'm gonna try to get as much B-roll as possible so you guys can see everything. It's pretty dope. You know, I think there's a really weird stigma about RV parks. Like, and the people that are in them, but dude, everybody that we've met so far is insanely cool. So I will say this, my first drive was very scary. I've never towed anything that big or that heavy before in my life. So that was definitely nerve-wracking. So I didn't record it. I probably should have. So right now we're looking for the pool because there's a pool. But anyway, so the first tow was very, very interesting. Like the trailer, there was a couple of moments like, so first of all, when a semi is going next to you, that's scary. And then after the trailer, you've got, or like after an 18-wheeler, you've got wind. It's nuts. We had a gust of wind that went by the trailer. Man, that one was more scary than the 18-wheeler, was the wind. So it's gonna take some getting used to, but the good news is obviously that we all made it here in one piece. We all made it safe, and that's what matters. So we're gonna continue to do that and continue to show you guys what's up from the moment we sold our house till right now, and it's been about 4 days. It's been non-stop go, 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 go. Pack, unpack, drive, pack, unpack, drive, pack, unpack. Like, it has been wild, wild. Hey there. So, anyways, but I'm gonna tell you this. For all of you that are thinking about getting into this life, full-time RVing, being on the road, stuff like that, it's worth it. It is worth it. I've never felt so free in my life. I've never felt so, I don't know, I don't even know the word for it. It's just liberating. Like, we get to go anywhere, do anything, we see cool places, you know, go do that kind of stuff. I don't know, I wish I could explain it better than that, but you just have to be here to see it. So guys, I will say this, if you're thinking about this or you're doing it, you're in the middle of doing it, so everything that you think you need, everything that you're packing to put into your RV, go ahead and cut it in half. And I mean, that goes for fifth wheels, Class A's, everything, because what you think you can put in there, you're gonna eventually be like, oh, I don't need this anymore. But that's also a liberating feeling because your stuff doesn't own you anymore, you know? And it's really, really nice. See, everybody here is nice. Look at this, it's insane, see? This is how you do it. This is exactly how you do it. I mean, just look at that, you know? The sun sets, even in the mornings when the sun rises, it's beautiful, beautiful. Like, I've seen more already in just the 4 days that we've been doing this than I've seen in the last 2 years. So, and I've met people, and it's just been really, it's been an insane journey already. And I'm just 4 days in. Can't wait until, you know, we're a week in, month in. I'll keep you guys updated so you guys know, so you guys can follow along with us and stuff, see how we're doing in a month. We may hate it, may hate our life, but I doubt it. It's a lot of fun. A lot of fun. Even right now, I'm waving at the neighbors. I'm waving at neighbors right now, and they're amazing. Like, everybody out here is so cool. You know? Look at the dogs. So funny. So guys, listen. If you're thinking about it, stop thinking about it. Just do it. Just do it. So it's raining outside, and I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to show you guys the crib, right? So trailer camper RV tour, right? So here we go. You ready? So first up, we have the living room. So so next up is the kids' room, which is kind of a mess. Is there a light in there? There is, right? So this is the bunks. The light's up there. It's really dark, sorry. But yeah, so that's the bunks for the kids. Pretty dope. And then you come back here. Watch it, okay? What are you doing? Haley with her new art stuff. I'm gonna be sharing that guy. I'm gonna be leaving a link in the comments below so you guys can check out her art. She's gonna be selling it on Etsy, all that kind of stuff. Pretty cool. Little Grayson. So this is our living room, right? And then kind of living room, dinette, and then you've got the kitchen, which is kind of a mess right now, sorry. You know, but we like to eat. I like to eat. Have you seen me? I'm really fat. But yeah, so we're watching the new thing on Netflix, pretty cool. Refrigerator. Dude, this is a dope refrigerator too, look. Refrigerator, yeah. I like barbecue sauce, what's up? So microwave, the freezer, and then plenty of room. And then you come in here. Now this is actually the biggest bathroom. This is actually like the biggest bathroom I think that they make for RVs. So pretty cool. Toilet, shower, and kind of using it as storage currently. But yeah, so sink, cool stuff down here. And then you've got back here, this is the master bedroom. Really dope. I got all my camera gear on the bed right now. Check this out, look. So if I power these on, you got these like really cool blue lights. I gotta get up here to get the other one. Hold on. Alright. So you got these like really cool blue lights. You can turn them and make them regular lights. But yeah, for now that's what we're doing. We have our own door to the outside world. Pretty dope. That's all the storage we've got in here. Is where I usually keep my camera stuff, all that. So pretty dope. All right, so another cool thing to note about week one. So the RV park that we're in right now is amazing. I know you guys saw a little bit of that from the drone footage, but the park is awesome. They've got their own pool. I've shown you plenty of footage of the pool. They got their own little pond, lake area, totally insane. And yeah, it's pretty dope. The other thing to note too is you've got to figure out how to like dump your poop, which is weird. That's a little bit different. So, you know, if you don't like getting your hands dirty, or you don't like, you know, maybe it's not for you. But for the most part, it's pretty easy. It's really easy, simple, and not too bad, like, honestly. And it doesn't even really, I haven't smelled anything yet, so I think it's fine. But I'll let you guys know on that when I like unplug it and put it in and stuff, or put it up and all that kind of stuff. But anyways, so yeah, storage, poop tank, like pulling the gray tanks, all that kind of stuff. The RV park is amazing. I know there's a stigma about RV parks, but dude, I'm loving it. Like seeing everybody's rigs, seeing like how everybody has their setup versus how we have our setup. It's a completely different, interesting way of life. Oh, check this out. I got a new pair of kicks. Check it, look. Boom. Dude. Are those not the dopest shoes you've ever seen in your life? I know. Leave it in the comments. What kind of shoes do you guys wear? I want to know. These are Hey Dudes. I'm loving Hey Dudes, man. Hey Dudes are like completely insane to me. So let me know in the comments what kind of shoes you wear, all that kind of stuff. And if you're already in an RV, what kind of RV do you have? I want to know that. So anyways, tomorrow we set sail to the next RV park for the next few weeks, and we're going to show you guys all about it. They've got even more amenities than this one does, so we'll see. So right now we're staying at Winter's Quarters Manatee RV Park here in Bradenton, Florida, which is like a hop, skip, and a jump away from Tampa. Amazing park. We'll definitely be back. We love it here. It feels more like a resort than it does anything else, and it's a lot of fun. It's a lot of fun. Anyways, guys, thank you so much. Make sure you like and subscribe, share it, smash the like button, all that kind of stuff, and we'll see you guys next time on Chef Koi RD.